Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm here to answer any questions about 0800 repair. I can also book an appointment for you. Just ask. Take a look at the links below. Is the information you need in the list below? See below for some links that may help. See below for some links that may help. Let's complete the appliance repair form to make an appointment with one of our engineers. Can I take your name, please? I've got that. Could you tell me your surname? I've added the information. Can I please have your email address? I've added the information in the form. Could you type your phone number, please? Okay, that's added for you. Could you type your postcode, please? This doesn't look like a valid postcode. Make sure it's something like this. A, B, 1, 3, U, R. I've got that. Please, tell me your address. Okay, that's added for you. Please tell me the make of your appliance. Okay, that's added for you. Please, let me know the type of appliance you have. I've got that. What model of appliance do you have? I've got that. Could you tell me the serial number of your appliance? I've got that. When did you first buy your appliance? If you're not sure, then just put in an estimate, so we can make sure we bring the right parts. Okay, that's added for you. Could you please write a description of your model? Please, let us know if you would be interested in our parts and labor service or just labor. Please, tell me a date for the appointment. I've got that. Can you describe what the problem is with the appliance? All the required fields have been successfully filled in. To complete the application, press the button below the form.